Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the password and security. Then we have to scroll down to advanced options and enter encryption credentials. And as you can see at the bottom of this list, we've got the option looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. You will also have to confirm it with your screen lock, so just enter it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.